We have two helicopters flying in Arbana airspace. This is a pilot number 1, Captain Mohta, and we have another pilot, our ace pilot, Prithvi Panoli, and this is the helicopter he is flying. Our other helicopter seems to be in some kind of a mission.
Two helicopters are flying.
Looks like the Bell 206 is coming in for landing. And there it is. It's gone to base. It appears to be hovering around the... There we go. Precise landing on the helipad. Both the helicopters have just landed in their respective helipads.